Happy.
Happy.
I feel happy when I listen to music. Sad.
Sad.
She looks sad today. Angry.
Angry.
He is angry about the delay. Excited.
Excited.
They are excited for the trip. Tired.
Tired.
I am tired after work. Scared.
Scared.
The child is scared of the dark. Nervous.
Nervous.
I feel nervous before a test. Surprised.
Surprised.
He was surprised by the gift. Bored.
Bored.
She is bored at home. Confused.
Confused.
I am confused about the instructions. Lonely.
Lonely.
He feels lonely without his friends. Embarrassed.
Embarrassed.
She felt embarrassed after falling. Proud.
Proud.
I am proud of my progress. Shy.
Shy.
He is too shy to speak. Grateful.
Grateful.
We are grateful for your help. Relaxed.
Relaxed.
She feels relaxed at the beach. Frustrated.
Frustrated.
I get frustrated when things go wrong. Jealous.
Jealous.
He is jealous of his brother. Hopeful.
Hopeful.
They are hopeful for the future. Calm.
Calm.
Stay calm in difficult situations. Anxious.
Anxious.
I feel anxious before meetings. Confident.
Confident.
She is confident on stage. Disappointed.
Disappointed.
He was disappointed with the result. Curious.
Curious.
I am curious about new cultures. Stressed.
Stressed.
She feels stressed at work. Thankful.
Thankful.
We are thankful for your support. Relieved.
Relieved.
He felt relieved after finishing the project. Worried.
Worried.
I am worried about the weather. Hungry.
Hungry.
I get hungry in the afternoon. Thirsty.
Thirsty.
He is thirsty after running. Guilty.
Guilty.
She felt guilty about her mistake. Kind.
Kind.
He is always kind to animals. Mean.
Mean.
That comment was really mean. Friendly.
Friendly.
They are friendly to strangers. Moody.
Moody.
She can be moody in the morning. Silly.
Silly.
The kids are acting silly. Lazy.
Lazy.
I feel lazy on rainy days. Determined.
Determined.
He is determined to succeed. Strong.
Strong.
You have to be strong in hard times. Joyful.
Joyful.
We felt joyful during the celebration. Terrified.
Terrified.
She is terrified of loud noises. Shocked.
Shocked.
I was shocked by the news. Enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic.
They are enthusiastic about the new project. Miserable.
Miserable.
He felt miserable after the breakup. Inspired.
Inspired.
I feel inspired by her story. Envious.
Envious.
He was envious of her success. Overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed.
I feel overwhelmed with work. Embittered.
Embittered.
He became embittered after losing his job. Peaceful.
Peaceful.
The garden feels peaceful in the morning. Delighted.
Delighted.
She was delighted with her birthday present.